Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can connect Telegram wallet to Bybit. Now from Bybit here, you want to go to assets on bottom right here. Now on assets, you want to go to deposit. Now on deposit, you want to go to deposit crypto. Now on deposit crypto, you want to pick whichever crypto you have. I'm going to pick BTC here, for example. Now on BTC, just choose a chain type. I'm going to choose BTC. And then take note of the wallet address that just appeared earlier. Now after you have that wallet address, let's move on onto Telegram. Once on Telegram, let's go to the menu section on the upper left here. On here, you want to go to wallet. On wallet, let's just wait for it to load for a second here. Now, once on wallet here, let's go to send. Now on send, let's go to an external wallet. And earlier we want to send Bitcoin, right? So let's just pick Bitcoin and then just type in the BTC address here and then type in also the currency and the price, and then you'll be good to go. If you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.